How to adjust the screen brightness on an LG phone. Adjustable screen brightness is very useful to ensure comfortable viewing in virtually any lighting condition. The quickest way to adjust the screen brightness on your LG phone is via the notification drop-down quick settings. To do this, tap and hold at the top of the screen and drag your finger down to access the notification panel and quick settings. Below the row of toggle settings at the top, you will see the brightness slider. You can check the auto option at the right and also drag the slider to the desired brightness. If the brightness slider is missing, then expand the quick settings further by tapping and sliding your finger down again. Then tap on the pencil icon at the top right. Press the three dots at the top right of the next screen and place a check by brightness. Then tap the check mark at the top right to save. The other way to adjust the screen brightness is to open Settings. Then tap on Display and adjust the brightness slider. You can also enable auto brightness. Some phones will have a brighter display toggle that you can enable to make the screen easier to read in very brightly lit situations. Note that this can cause higher battery drain and potentially cause the phone to get warmer than normal. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.